Want to make your boyfriend really miss you when you're not around? It's not about playing games, it's about keeping your relationship fun and interesting. When you make the good times you spend together memorable, he'll start missing you whenever you're apart. There are lots of simple ways to keep the spark alive and make him think of you often. You don't have to do anything big or dramatic. Sometimes the small things like how you talk, what you do when you're together, and even how you give each other space can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you will learn the 10 powerful ways make your boyfriend miss you. Whether it's changing up how you communicate, sharing your happy moments, or just being supportive, each tip will help strengthen your bond. Before we begin, make sure hit subscribe button and notification bell. Make sure to watch this video to end. Let's start. Number 1. Give him some space. Sometimes the best way to make someone miss you is to hold back. Give your boyfriend a little space to think about you. When you're not around all the time, he'll start to realize how much your presence adds to his day. It's like when you're not in school for a day, your friends are more likely to notice your absence and think about you. Instead of texting him all day, sometimes let him reach out first. When he texts you or calls you, he shows that you are on his mind. This can make conversations more exciting, as the two of you will have more to share after spending some time apart. Try to do your own thing. Dive into hobbies, hang out with friends, or take some time for personal goals. When you both catch up, you'll have interesting things to talk about, and he'll see you as fun and independent. This can make him look forward to your time together more. Number 2. Share fun memories. Bringing up happy memories when you talk can remind him of the great times you spent together. Next time you chat, you can talk about the funny movie you saw or the spontaneous trip you went on. It's a great way to put a smile on his face and make him long for more fun times with you. You can also leave little reminders about yourself with him. Maybe leave a small gift or photo of the two of you having fun. When he sees this, he will feel close to you even in your absence. He will remember the laughter and joy you shared. Send him photos or texts every now and then to bring back those good times. For example, sending him a picture of a place you went together can rekindle those happy feelings. It's about keeping a little of that glow alive even when you're apart. Number 3. Be genuinely interested in his day. When you talk, really listen to what he has to say about his day or his feelings. Showing genuine interest makes him feel appreciated and understood. You don't have to offer solutions or advice, just listening can be enough. When someone feels heard, they appreciate your presence more. Ask him questions that get him talking about his interests and passions. Learning more about what he likes to do can increase your connection and deepen your conversations. It shows that you care about his life beyond being together. Keep your interactions positive and uplifting. Celebrate his achievements and support him if he is having a hard time. When you're a source of positivity, he may miss your energy when you're not around. It's like being the light of his day. He looks forward to your chat as a highlight. Number 4. Surprise him occasionally. Surprises can make your relationship exciting. Try sending your boyfriend a small gift or a handwritten letter. When you surprise him, he gets a thrill that makes him think fondly of you. It doesn't have to be a big deal. A funny meme or even a sweet text can brighten his day. Plan a surprise date when you both have free time. Maybe take him to his favorite restaurant or to see a movie he likes to watch. Surprises keep things fresh, and he'll appreciate your efforts to please him. Now and then you can surprise him by supporting him at an event he's involved in, like a school play or presentation. Seeing you there, cheering for him, can make him feel special and missed when you're not around. Number 5. Keep yourself happy and busy. When you have your own needs and you are having fun, you will be more interesting to your lover. Not only do you look out for him, but instead, he sees that you lead an attractive life. Stay active with your hobbies and spend time with other friends. When you tell him about all the fun things you do, he might wish he was with you. It shows him that you're someone who loves life, which may make him want to be a part of it even more. Being happy makes you more positive to be around. When you're in a good mood, it's contagious. He starts to miss your positivity when you're not together, and he looks forward to the next time he sees you. Number 6. Leave something behind. Leaving a small item of yours with him can be a sweet reminder for you. Maybe it's a scarf with your perfume or a favorite book. When he sees these items, they remind him of you and the times you shared, which can make him miss you even more. You can put together a list of songs for him that you both love or that remind him of you. Every time he listens to it, he will think of you and the times you had fun together listening to those tunes. Try leaving a fun note in his bag or car. When he finds it later, it will be a nice surprise that will bring a smile to his face. These little things will keep you on his mind even when you are apart. Number 7. Stay connected through technology. Use technology to stay connected in creative ways. You can send him funny videos, share a playlist, or play online games together. These activities keep the relationship alive and make him look forward to your digital interactions. You can also set up a video call date where you can have dinner together or watch a movie together on screen. It's a way to share experiences even when you can't be physically together. Keep your messages light and fun. Frequent, happy exchanges can build anticipation for when you'll talk next. He will miss those contact opportunities and frequently check his phone waiting for your messages. Number 8. Use the dopamine-seeking reward loop. Keep your boyfriend guessing by mixing up how often and when you contact him. Sometimes send a text first thing in the morning, and other times wait until the afternoon or evening. By being unpredictable with your messages, his brain will wonder when he will ask you next, which will make him interested and miss you. You can also change what you do together. Instead of always going to the same places, try new activities or explore new places together. This variety creates excitement and joy in the brain, making him feel more connected to you and eager for your next adventure. Remember, a little mystery goes a long way. Don't share every detail of your day or your thoughts. By holding back a little, you will be curious, and he will stretch to know more and wait for your conversations. Number 9. Be supportive during hard times. He can really appreciate having you in his life by being there for him when things get tough. Listen to him when he needs to talk about a problem or vent. Showing him that you care and are there to support him builds deep trust and connection. Offer encouragement when he faces challenges at school, work, or personal problems. Knowing that he has your support can make him feel safe and miss that comfort when you're not around. Remember, sometimes he just wants to listen, not solve his problems. By being a reliable and empathetic partner, you become someone he misses not only during the good times, but especially when things are tough. Number 10. Keep things light and playful. Joking and being playful when you are together can create many happy memories. Tell jokes, play fun games, or just be silly together. Laughter is a powerful way to bond, and he'll remember those fun times with a smile. Sending funny memes or jokes over text can keep the mood light and cheerful even when you're not physically together. These little moments filled with laughter and joy are a reminder of how much fun it is to be around you. Try to avoid overly serious conversations via text messages or calls. Keeping interactions light will help maintain a fun relationship that he wants to come back to again and again.